Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the cell or range that contains long text. This step triggers formatting. Next, go to the Home tab and click Wrap Text in the Alignment group, or press Alt+H+W for a quick keyboard shortcut. Once done, Excel will display text on multiple lines inside the same cell, so content is readable without changing column width. Make sure to check column width and row height visually, because wrap relies on those dimensions to break lines sensibly. Now fine-tune how the wrap text appears. Use alignment controls to set vertical and horizontal placement, top, middle, bottom, and left, center, right, so wrapped lines align with neighboring cells. If you need a wide header, avoid wrapping inside merged cells. Instead, use center across selection to preserve wrap behavior. For precise line breaks, place the cursor and press Alt+Enter to force a new line inside the cell. This gives you control over breaks and keeps data consistent for printing and filters. To finish, auto-fit row height by double-clicking the row border, or choose Format right arrow auto-fit row height so wrap text is fully visible. Apply font and cell padding settings to improve readability, but be careful with shrink to fit because it reduces font size and defeats the purpose of readable wrapping. If wrap stops working, check for merged cells, fixed row heights, or manual line breaks. Clear merges and reset row height. Then reapply wrap text to restore normal behavior and consistent layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.